yo, what's up, y'all? Today we're gonna have a look at my presentation about my favorite sport, as you can see right here. Okay, now let's move on. This is only the introduction. Okay, let's move to the introduction. I like all kinds of sport, but my favorite sport is volleyball. Okay, this is just the introduction. Let's move on. Okay, as you can see right here is when and how I practice. I was taught how to play volleyball since I was young. I have played with my friend all the time in my free time. I always go to the nearby volleyball club to play, and I always bring a towel with me so I can, when I get sweat, I can wipe it off. Okay, let's move on. It's nothing special. Okay, my favorite space and season to play. I love playing volleyball in the winter because when the weather is cold, I can warm it up by playing volleyball. I can play volleyball all everywhere, especially in my house.
Wow.
My ambition. I want to play like a professional volleyball player. I practice as much as possible. I'm playing volleyball seriously. My friend also said that I'm very good at volleyball and I'm playing it well. And my next ambition is to play for the national team.